So this is the sound setting of MacBook Air. Okay, so you can use this. Go in the system setting. In the sound you will find this sound. So there is the option like you can select the output. I have plug in my wired earphone, so you can decide whether to choose your wired earphone external headphone as the output or as an input. So you have two options to choose output, like you can choose your external headphone as output, and either you can choose your MacBook Air speaker as a output. Similarly, you have an input, you can choose your external microphone as a input, or MacBook Air microphone as a input. So there is also one, you can choose this increase and decrease if you want to take input volume low or to keep it high. So you can decide accordingly. There is a play sound on startup, play user interface sound effect, and play sound effect through select a sound output device. Okay, so we can select the sound output device from here. Okay, so just go and use it.